10 proven techniques for managing anxiety and stress. Anxiety and stress are common issues that affect many people in today's fast-paced world. They can be caused by a variety of factors, such as work pressure, relationship problems, financial difficulties, and health concerns. When left unresolved, chronic anxiety and stress can lead to serious health problems, including heart disease, high blood pressure, and depression. Fortunately, there are many techniques available to help individuals manage their stress and anxiety effectively. In this video we will explore 10 proven techniques that can help you cope with these issues and improve your overall well-being. From practicing mindfulness and deep breathing to exercise and self-care, we'll cover everything you need to know to manage your anxiety and stress effectively. So, let's dive in and explore the best techniques for managing anxiety and stress. 1. Understanding anxiety and stress. Anxiety and stress are common experiences for many people. In fact, according to recent studies, over 70% of people report experiencing some form of anxiety or stress in their daily lives. Anxiety is an emotional and physiological response to perceived threats or danger. It can manifest in various ways, including physical symptoms such as heart palpitations, chest tightness, shortness of breath, and sweating. It can also cause negative thoughts, such as fears, worries, and apprehension about the future. Stress, on the other hand, is the body's response to external pressures or demands. This can come from many sources, such as work, relationships, finances, or health concerns. Stress is a normal part of life and can even be beneficial in small amounts, as it can motivate us to take action and adapt to new situations. However, when stress becomes chronic or overwhelming, it can lead to negative physical and mental health outcomes, including anxiety, depression, and burnout. Understanding the causes and symptoms of anxiety and stress is the first step in managing them effectively. By recognizing when we are experiencing these emotions, we can take steps to reduce their impact on our lives and improve our overall well-being. 2. 10 proven ways to manage anxiety and stress. Anxiety and stress are unavoidable parts of life, but it's important to learn how to manage them effectively. Here are 10 proven techniques for managing anxiety and stress. 1. Deep breathing. Taking deep breaths can help calm your body and mind. Try inhaling slowly through your nose, holding for a count of 3, and then exhaling slowly through your mouth. 2. Exercise. Regular exercise is known to reduce stress levels and increase endorphins, which can help improve your mood. 3. Progressive muscle relaxation. This technique involves tensing and relaxing different muscle groups in your body, which can help release tension and reduce anxiety. 4. Mindfulness meditation. This involves focusing your attention on the present moment and accepting your thoughts and feelings without judgment. 5. Yoga. Yoga combines physical postures with deep breathing and meditation, all of which can help reduce stress and anxiety. 6. Time management. Learning to manage your time effectively can help reduce stress and anxiety associated with deadlines and workloads. 7. Social support. Having a strong support system of family and friends can help reduce feelings of isolation and provide a sense of belonging. 8. Cognitive behavioral therapy. This type of therapy helps individuals identify and change negative thought patterns and behaviors that contribute to anxiety and stress. 9. Aromatherapy. Certain scents, such as lavender and chamomile, have been shown to have a calming effect and can be used in diffusers, candles, or bath products. 10. Sleep hygiene. Getting enough sleep is crucial for managing stress and anxiety. Creating a bedtime routine and avoiding screens before bed can help improve sleep quality. By incorporating these techniques into your daily routine, you can effectively manage anxiety and stress and improve your overall well-being. 3. Practice mindfulness meditation. Mindfulness meditation has been proven to be a powerful technique in managing anxiety and stress. It involves being fully present and focused on the present moment, without judgment or distraction. This technique can help you to relax your mind and body, which can lead to a reduction in anxiety and stress levels. Mindfulness meditation involves sitting in a comfortable and quiet place, closing your eyes, and focusing on your breath. If your mind starts to wander, simply bring your attention back to your breath. It's normal for your mind to wander, and the practice of bringing your attention back to your breath is actually what helps to build mindfulness. Studies have shown that mindfulness meditation can help to reduce symptoms of anxiety and depression, lower blood pressure, and even improve sleep quality. The great thing about mindfulness meditation is that it can be practiced anywhere and at any time, making it a convenient technique to use when you're feeling overwhelmed or stressed. It's recommended that you start with just a few minutes of mindfulness meditation per day and gradually increase the length of your practice over time. With consistent practice, you will begin to notice the benefits of mindfulness meditation and feel more relaxed and less anxious in your daily life. 4. Exercise regularly. Regular exercise is one of the most effective techniques for managing anxiety and stress. When we exercise, our body releases endorphins, which are natural chemicals that boost our mood, reduce pain, and improve sleep. Endorphins also act as natural painkillers and can improve our ability to cope with stress. Physical activity can also help us to break the cycle of negative thoughts and feelings that often accompany anxiety and stress. When we exercise, we focus on our body and the movements we are making, taking our mind off our worries and concerns. This can help us to feel more relaxed and calm. The type of exercise that is best for managing anxiety and stress will depend on the individual. Some people may prefer low-impact exercises, such as yoga or Pilates, while others may prefer more high-intensity activities, such as running or weightlifting. The key is to find an exercise that you enjoy and that you can incorporate into your routine on a regular basis. It's also important to remember that exercise doesn't need to be a chore. You can incorporate physical activity into your daily routine in small ways, such as taking the stairs instead of the elevator or going for a walk during your lunch break. By making exercise a regular part of your routine, you can significantly reduce your levels of anxiety and stress. 5. Get enough sleep. Getting enough sleep is essential for managing anxiety and stress. When you are sleep deprived, your body produces stress hormones that can make you feel anxious, irritable, and overwhelmed. Lack of sleep can also affect your ability to focus and make decisions, which can lead to more stress and anxiety. To get a good night's sleep, it's important to establish a regular sleep routine. Try to go to bed and wake up at the same time every day, even on weekends. This will help regulate your body's natural sleep-wake cycle. You should also create a sleep-conducive environment in your bedroom. Make sure your room is cool, quiet, and dark. Use comfortable pillows and mattresses to ensure a comfortable sleep. Avoid using electronic devices before bedtime as the blue light from screens can suppress the production of melatonin, a hormone that regulates sleep. If you find it hard to fall asleep, try to wind down before bedtime by reading a book, having a warm bath, or practicing relaxation techniques. These activities help to calm your mind and body, making it easier to fall asleep. By getting enough sleep, you'll be better equipped to manage anxiety and stress, and you'll be able to approach each day with more energy, focus, and positivity. 6. Avoid negative self-talk. When anxiety or stress hits, it's often easy to fall into a pattern of negative self-talk. This means you begin to have negative thoughts about yourself, your abilities, and your situation. Negative self-talk can be incredibly damaging, leading to a downward spiral of worry and stress. It's important to recognize when you're engaging in negative self-talk and take steps to stop it in its tracks. One way to do this is to practice mindfulness. Mindfulness involves paying attention to the present moment and accepting it without judgment. By doing this, you can begin to notice when negative thoughts creep in and gently redirect your focus to the present moment. You can also challenge negative thoughts by questioning their validity. Ask yourself, is this thought true? Or, what evidence do I have to support this thought? By doing this, you can begin to see that many negative thoughts are not actually based in reality. Another way to avoid negative self-talk is to practice self-compassion. This means treating yourself with the same kindness and understanding that you would offer to a close friend. When you're feeling anxious or stressed, try to be gentle with yourself. Remind yourself that it's okay to feel this way and that you're doing the best you can. By treating yourself with compassion, you can reduce stress and improve your overall well-being. 7. Use cognitive behavioral therapy, CBT. Cognitive behavioral therapy, CBT, is a type of talk therapy that can be very effective in helping people deal with anxiety and stress. CBT is a structured approach that focuses on identifying and changing negative thought patterns and behaviors that can contribute to anxiety and stress. CBT is based on the idea that our thoughts, feelings, and behaviors are interconnected, and that by changing one, we can change the others. The therapy aims to help you identify negative thought patterns and replace them with more positive and realistic ones. CBT also involves learning new coping skills and strategies to deal with anxiety and stress. This can include relaxation techniques, such as deep breathing and progressive muscle relaxation, as well as problem-solving skills to help you manage difficult situations. CBT can be delivered one-on-one with a therapist or in a group setting. It typically involves weekly sessions over a period of several weeks or months. Research has shown that CBT can be very effective in treating anxiety disorders, including generalized anxiety disorder, panic disorder, and obsessive-compulsive disorder. It can also be helpful in managing stress and related symptoms, such as insomnia and depression. If you are struggling with anxiety or stress, CBT may be a helpful option for you to consider. Speak with your healthcare provider or a mental health professional to learn more about CBT and whether it might be a good fit for you. 8. Practice deep breathing exercises. Many people experience anxiety and stress in their daily lives, and one effective way to manage these feelings is through deep breathing exercises. Deep breathing is a relaxation technique that helps to reduce tension and promote a sense of calmness. To practice deep breathing exercises, find a quiet and comfortable place to sit or lie down. Close your eyes and take a slow, deep breath in through your nose, counting to 4 as you inhale. Hold your breath for a count of 4 and then slowly exhale through your mouth, counting to 6 as you breathe out. Repeat this process for several minutes, focusing on your breath and trying to clear your mind of any distracting thoughts. If your mind does start to wander, gently bring your attention back to your breath and continue with the exercise. You can also try different variations of deep breathing, such as box breathing, or belly breathing, which involve different patterns of inhaling and exhaling. Experiment with these techniques to find what works best for you. Deep breathing exercises can be done anywhere and at any time, making them a convenient and effective way to manage anxiety and stress in your daily life. Incorporate these exercises into your routine to promote relaxation and improve your overall sense of well-being. 9. Try progressive muscle relaxation. Progressive muscle relaxation (PMR) is a technique that involves tensing and relaxing each muscle group in your body. This technique is an effective way to manage anxiety and stress as it helps to release tension and promote relaxation in your body. To begin, find a quiet space where you can sit or lie down comfortably. Start with your feet and work your way up to your head. Tense each muscle group for about 5 to 10 seconds, and then release the tension for 10–20 seconds. While you are tensing and relaxing each muscle group, focus on the sensations you feel. You may notice a difference between the feeling of tension and relaxation in each muscle group. PMR can be done at any time of the day, but it's especially helpful before bed to promote relaxation and better sleep. It can also be done during the day when you are feeling anxious or stressed. The technique can help you feel more in control of your body and emotions, and it can help reduce physical symptoms of anxiety, such as muscle tension, headaches, and stomach aches. Overall, PMR is a simple and effective technique that you can use to manage anxiety and stress. With regular practice, you can learn to recognize when your body is tense and use PMR to release that tension and promote relaxation. 10. Use guided imagery. Guided imagery is a relaxation technique that uses visualization to promote calmness and reduce anxiety. It involves using mental images to create a sense of relaxation or peacefulness. This technique is particularly helpful for those who struggle with racing thoughts and find it difficult to quiet their mind. Guided imagery can be done in many ways. You can listen to an audio recording that guides you through a peaceful scene, or you can create your own mental image. To get started, find a quiet space where you won't be disturbed. Close your eyes and take a deep breath. Once you feel relaxed, begin to imagine a peaceful scene. This could be a beach, a forest, or even a cozy room. Focus on the details of the scene and try to imagine yourself there. What do you see, hear, and smell? How do you feel? Stay in this peaceful scene for as long as you like, or until you feel a sense of calmness. When you're ready, slowly open your eyes and take a few deep breaths. Guided imagery is a great technique to use anytime you feel anxious or stressed. It can be done anywhere and at any time, making it a convenient and effective tool for managing anxiety and stress. 11. Practice yoga or Tai Chi. Practicing yoga or Tai Chi can be an effective way to manage anxiety and stress. Both practices combine physical movement with meditation and deep breathing, which can help calm the mind and relax the body. Yoga involves a series of postures and stretches that can help increase flexibility, strength, and balance, while also promoting relaxation and reducing stress. It is often practiced in a group setting, but it can also be done at home with the help of online videos or apps. Tai Chi is a Chinese martial art that involves slow, flowing movements and deep breathing. It is often described as moving meditation, and can be practiced by people of all ages and fitness levels. Tai Chi has been shown to reduce stress, improve balance and flexibility, and promote overall well-being. Both yoga and Tai Chi can also help improve sleep quality, which is important for managing anxiety and stress. In addition, these practices can help increase mindfulness and self-awareness, which can lead to a greater sense of calm and inner peace. If you are new to yoga or Tai Chi, it's a good idea to start with a beginner's class or tutorial to learn the proper techniques and avoid injury. With regular practice, you may find that these exercises become an important part of your stress management routine. 12. Learn to say no and reduce commitments. Learning to say no can be a game changer when it comes to reducing anxiety and stress. Many of us have a tendency to overcommit ourselves, whether it's at work, with friends or family, or with extracurricular activities. We want to please others and be seen as reliable, but in the end, we end up stretching ourselves too thin and feeling overwhelmed. Learning to set boundaries and say no when we need to is an essential part of managing anxiety and stress. This doesn't mean you have to become a hermit or stop helping others altogether, but rather, it's about being selective with your time and energy. Prioritize the things that are most important to you and learn to say no to things that don't align with your values or goals. One way to do this is by using the 3 rupees: refuse, reduce, and renegotiate. Refuse commitments that don't align with your priorities, reduce the amount of time or energy you spend on things that are draining or not important, and renegotiate commitments that are necessary but overwhelming. Learning to say no can be difficult at first, especially if you're used to saying yes to everything. But over time, it will become easier and you'll find that you have more time and energy to devote to the things that truly matter to you. 13. Prioritize self-care. One of the most important things you can do to manage anxiety and stress is to prioritize self-care. This means taking time out of your day to focus on your physical and mental health. One of the most effective ways to prioritize self-care is to incorporate regular exercise into your routine. Exercise has been shown to release endorphins, which are natural mood boosters, and can help reduce levels of the stress hormone cortisol in the body. Another important aspect of self-care is getting enough sleep. Lack of sleep can contribute to feelings of anxiety and stress, so it's important to make sure you're getting enough rest. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of sleep each night and try to establish a regular sleep routine to help regulate your body's natural sleep-wake cycle. In addition to exercise and sleep, there are many other ways you can prioritize self-care. This might include practicing mindfulness or meditation, taking a relaxing bath, enjoying a hobby or creative activity, or spending time in nature. The key is to identify the self-care activities that work best for you and make them a regular part of your routine. Remember, taking care of yourself is not a luxury, it's a necessity. By prioritizing self-care, you can feel better both physically and mentally, and better equipped to manage anxiety and stress in your daily life. 14. Conclusion and additional resources to explore. In conclusion, anxiety and stress are common issues that affect many people. However, it is important to remember that there are many techniques and strategies that can help manage these feelings. From practicing mindfulness and meditation to engaging in physical activity and seeking professional support, there are many proven techniques available. It is important to find the strategies that work best for you and to make them a regular part of your routine. If you are struggling with anxiety and stress, there are also many additional resources available to explore. Online forums and support groups can provide a sense of community and connection with others who are going through similar experiences. Mental health professionals, such as therapists and counselors, can provide personalized support and guidance. Additionally, self-help books and apps can offer practical tips and tools for managing anxiety and stress. Remember, managing anxiety and stress is a journey, and it is okay to seek support and guidance along the way. By exploring different techniques and resources, you can develop a personalized approach to managing your anxiety and stress, and improve your overall well-being. We hope you found our video about managing anxiety and stress helpful. We understand that these emotions can be challenging to deal with and can have a significant impact on your daily life. Fortunately, there are many proven techniques you can use to help manage these feelings and improve your overall well-being. Remember, taking care of your mental health is just as important as taking care of your physical health. Don't hesitate to reach out to a professional if you need additional support. Always be kind to yourself and others, and we wish you a peaceful and stress-free life. Please like the video and subscribe the channel.